Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage on the status bar, all we have to do is to enter the settings, and right here let's simply find the option notifications and status bar. Then let's tap on not more settings, but the status bar again. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the battery. The main idea of this video was to show the battery percentage. So let's start with the battery percentage option. Just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got three different options which with and the kind of a preview, so you can check how they will look like. I've got the inside battery icon, so the percentage is visible. However, it is small. We've got also outside the battery icon, so it is on the right hand side, and as you can see it is much more visible, or do not show, which you've got probably applied. So it's up to you which option you prefer. And a quick disclaimer, you've got also the style, which is really cool because we've got a lot of options to choose from. So we've got the horizontal, we've got also the vertical option. We've got also the option which is not really that standard, I would say, because we've got the loop, or we can simply do not show the battery indicator and we will have only the battery percentage. So it's up to you which option you prefer. I think the loop option is quite nice. What is also important that, for example, if you will pick the loop, you will not be able to show battery percentage inside the indicator, probably because it is too small to also apply the percentage there. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.